Okay, the 7 station. I'll do one more. The station with 7 coming in, please. Bravo Delta 7, Bravo Mexico. Is that correct? Bravo Delta 7, Bravo Mexico. Is that QSL China? Over. Hi, welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India. And the other day I was down here at the docks doing a Parks India air activation, trying something a little bit stealthy since I'm in what could be called an urban environment. So I went down here with hamsticks on the roof of my car. Just wanted to see how effective hamsticks are close to salt water. And I'm not going to give away too much. I'm thinking we'll take the Nissan Leaf up to 88 miles per hour, and then we'll go back to the other day and see some highlights. And I'll be back here after that, and we'll draw some conclusions on how effective hamsticks are. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air. Calling CQ Parks on the air, calling CQ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air for Park Lima Alpha 2542. Park Lima Alpha 2542. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India calling CQ Parks on the air. Listening for any calls anywhere. Was it Golf Delta 5 Mike Uniform Papa? Is that QSL?
Yeah, QSL, Golf Delta 5 Mike Uniform Papa. The name is Mark, Mike Alpha Romeo Kilo, and you're reaching me with 50565 here on the Isle of Man, QSL.
QSL. I was hesitating a bit because of the Golf Delta, and that's not a combination you hear a lot. But you're also 5 and 5 into southern Norway. Over. Yeah, Roger. Call sign is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. QSL.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Yeah, thank you very much, my friend. That's Morton, I think. I've got you at 5 and 555. Thank you very much, Morton. GP5,
Thank you, and thank you for hunting Parks on the air. 7-3 QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India.
Oscar Echo 4 Juliet Hotel Whiskey.
Oscar Echo 4 Juliet Hotel Whiskey. I think it was 5 and 9. Over.
There was another station calling in between. Hello, Morton. Nice to meet you. First time on air. Appreciate your YouTube channel. We have been in touch yesterday. You are 10 dB over 9.
Thank you. You're also 10 dB over 9 here. Good and strong signal. Running 100 watts into Hamstick, about 1 meter from salt water here. Over.
Yeah, that's great. What's your radio today? Are you using the Xigo or the 440?
I'm using the 440 today. Over.
Yeah, you're a bit off the frequency. If your display says 315, you're a bit above, about 100 hertz above.
Roger. Thank you for the correction there. It's an old radio, so sometimes I'm a little bit off. Thank you for that, and thank you for hunting there. Over.
Yeah, Roger. I know the 440 very well because we used this radio in my old days. It's a great radio, and it's doing a great job for you. Thank you so much for picking me up. Have fun. 73 and 44, and we keep in touch. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 7-3 QRZ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Park to park, coming in, please.
Yeah, Lima Bravo 4 Lima India here. Morning, Morton, over.
Thank you, Lima Bravo 4 Lima India, and I think you're about 1 kilometer away. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. Just set up and about to spot myself from Park Lima Alpha 1641, Lima Alpha 1641, and Park Lima Alpha 2542.
QSL 2452 and Lima Alpha 16 coming in, please.
1641. You are 20 dB over 9.
Yeah, Roger. 20 dB over 9 here as well. So thank you for the twofer, and good luck.
Good luck.
QRZ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Okay, anyone outside Europe? Any DX outside Europe coming in, please? I think it was Victor Echo 3 Ocean Japan November. Is that QSL?
Roger.
Yeah, Roger, thank you for that. You're about a 5 and 7 in the clear, 5 and 7 in the clear without the QRM. So awesome. It's always great to get some North America here. Thank you for hunting, 7-3. Thank you. Any more outside Europe? Any stations outside Europe? Get a Victor Echo 3 Delta something. Come again, please. Okay, Victor Echo 3 Delta. Come again, please. Several times. I think it was Victor Echo 3 Denmark, Zanzibar, Germany, Delta Zulu Golf. Is that QSL? Yeah, I did not get your last pass there. You were about 3 and 3 with strong QSB, so please try again with my signal report, please. I think you said 4x2, 4x2. Is that QSL? Okay, I lost you there, Victor Echo 3, Delta Zulu Golf. I lost you, but you are in the log. You are in the log. Thank you for hunting. 7-3.
It was 5-3.
Thank you. Thank you. And the station relaying that. Come again, please.
Yeah, OE4JHW, George again. 20 over 9 here.
See, Oscar Echo 4, and your suffix, please.
Juliet Hotel Whiskey, OE4JHW. Much stronger here on 17, Martin. 20 over, near Vienna.
Yeah, thank you. You're also 20 over here now, and I got a lot less QRM from the railroad here, so that helps a lot as well there. And thank you for hunting once again on a new band, 7-3.
Are you in this urban POTA park you showed on one of your videos?
Yes, I am. I'm actually along a coastal trail, so I am in between salt water and the railway line here down at the docks in town. Over.
Okay, don't want to hold you. Have fun. 73, bye-bye. 40.
Thank you. Bye-bye. QRZ Park Sundier, Lima Bravo 0, Fox India. Did I have a Kilo station there? Kilo something Bravo Bravo United. Is that QSL? Thank you. Kilo Charlie 1, Bravo Bravo United. You're also 5 and 5, 55 both ways. Thank you. Over. Thank you, and thank you for hunting. 7-3. QRZ Park Sundier, Lima Bravo 0, Fox India. Okay, the 7 station. I'll do one more. The station with 7. Come again, please. Bravo Delta 7, Bravo Mexico. Is that correct? Bravo Delta 7, Bravo Mexico. Is that QSL? China? Over. Thank you. Awesome. With 5 and 9 from China, you're about a 55 here, 55. But I'm running a hamstick, so China is awesome. Thank you. 7-3. Bye. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0, Fox India. Kilo Charlie 1, November Delta, Quebec. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Over. Thank you for 5 and 5 in Mike Alpha. This is I'm close to salt water, so I think K4O Joe Walt has something when he says that salt water is a great amplifier. Over. Thank you. 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0, Fox India. The Alpha Victor station. Come again, please. Whiskey 9, Alpha Victor, you are not strong. You're about a 3 and 3, 3 and 3, but thank you. You got through. Over. Thank you for 5-5, Whiskey India. Thank you. 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. QRZ. Roger, yeah, I'll go above 275 for a little while. It's getting close to my wife calling me home for supper, but I'll go above 275. Thank you for the info. Over. 7-3. The Italy Zulu 0 station. My call is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. QSL. Negative. Lima Bravo 0 Florida Italy. QSL. Okay, I'm not going to get your call sign or anything. You just wanted mine, so I'm not going to get to log you. Over. Perhaps not. Okay, this will be a YouTube moment. Thank you. 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Okay, I had a Bravo United. I think it's the same station that's been trying to get me. I'm going to try to get you in the log now. Come again, please. November 2, Bravo Tango India. Is that QSL? November 2 station, coming in, please. Bravo India Alpha, is that QSL? November 2, Bravo India Alpha, is that QSL? Bravo Echo Florida, is that QSL? Bravo Tango Denmark, November 2, Bravo Tango Denmark, is that QSL? Roger, you're about a 3-3 in Norway, but thank you for the 5-3, and good to finally have you in the log there. Thank you, 7-3. So, that's it. 84 contacts, about 90 minutes. Constant pile up for, well, over 90 minutes, an hour and 40-ish minutes. And hamsticks are effective, and especially near salt water, as I did today. And Walt, K4OGO, is a big proponent of putting your antennas up near salt water. And you know what? I'm inclined to believe that Walt is right. Anyway, that's it for now. We've seen that hamsticks are effective, and especially for stealth urban POTA, like I did the other day. But, yeah, do the usual stuff. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe, you know the drill. And if you want to support the channel a little bit more, there are a couple of ways down below. That's it for now. Until next time, 7-3.